In this video we're going to be taking a look at the VLOOKUP formula and how it can be used to match an admission number that exists within the spreadsheet that you can download from any of the apps to some current information that you've got from your MIS or register system. Essentially what I want it to do is, rather than me have to individually go through and edit every single one of these classes for maths, I want a formula that will basically look for this admission number in this list and then basically return the new class code replacing the old one. Whereas here I've got 1115, I want it to match it with the admission number that I've got here and simply return M4 as opposed to M2. So if I just quickly copy and paste this formula, let's just quickly talk about what that does. Essentially, in order to activate it as a formula, click equals and paste it in. Now what it's doing is it's checking the admission number column, so E16 in my case, with the static. Notice how I've got dollar signs, and the reason for the dollar signs is simply it will lock the table that it's currently looking in, this red area here, to M18, so it will keep it on this cell here, and N19, it will keep it here as I drag this cell down. What it will then do is, if it finds a match, it will return column 2, and it says false simply because I want it to find an exact match, not something that looks similar to this admission number. Now when I click equals, you'll notice that it comes up with it's not available, simply because 1111 does not appear here. Now one way of getting around that is to use if NA. Now basically if it's NA, then it will return the old class, which is H16, this cell here, but if it's not, then it will actually return the value that it gets from this table. So in the case of 1115, it will return M4. So let's just quickly take a look at this formula and how it will work. So if I click equals, paste it in, and then click equals, you'll notice that it would have returned NA, and therefore it's just simply returned H16. If I drag this down, we'll now notice that 1115, which was previously M2, it's been matched up and it's now M4, as well as 11120, it was M2 and now it's M5. All I would need to do now is to simply copy this into the maths class column, and I'm going to select paste special simply because I want to paste the values, not the formulas that I had originally. And there you go. I've now updated all of my maths classes for this new set of information that I've got out of my register using just a simple formula, if NA VLOOKUP.